लेट्स से केमिस्ट्री ले लो, कॉलेज में तो बहुत सुना था केमिस्ट्री करने में, रिएक्शन वगैरह सुनने में बहुत मज़ा आया था, तो चलो उठा लिया, कोई मटेरियल ही नहीं मिल रहा, क्या करोगे? टेस्ट सीरीज नहीं मिल रहा है, okay, so there's not much of mentorship support. What will you do? First is interest, but beyond interest, the support system, the material support system, the coaching, classes, guidance, test series, mentorship, they will help you in moving in that direction. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि out of the 46-47 subjects you will have interest in only one subject, ऐसा तो नहीं है ना. When you talk about the interest, you will have some common interest in 3-4 subjects. Pick those 3-4 subjects. सबसे पहले उसको उठाओ, है ना? And then you see how much of support is there. And इसके support के अंदर भी आएगा जो आपने graduation किया है, वो भी तो एक support ही है ना? If at all you have done graduation in a particular subject, that is always your natural preference. If you had interest over there, if you had performed well over there, from so good reputed institute, or so even from a normal institute also, you had done very well, you had thoroughly covered. In that case, that background study, because ये तो 3-4 साल के लिए जो पढ़ के आए हैं, that itself is your support. That is also one kind of support. Other than that, any kind of mentorship, coaching support, material support, okay, so test series support, ये सारा जो support system होता है ना, so that will help you in navigate through that. जो challenges आएगा, so interest तो लग रहा है, but difficulty लग रहा है. You are not getting a comprehensive material. You are not getting so clarity in particular concepts. Support is second factor. So third factor is how much it will contribute in your overall preparation also. I am not putting it in the first. Okay, so I am saying obviously जो आपका interest है, that interest is always the preference. Once you, let's say you have 3-4 subjects of genuine interest, in that there is a good support system, let's say for 2-3 subjects. In that, one of the factor you can consider is how much of contribution is there in GS. अगर ये दोनों पूरा के पूरा बराबर है, you want to choose between two optional, consider its contribution in GS. In GS, prelims GS, mains GS1, GS2, GS3, even in essay, even in ethics also. You can consider all of this. So obviously, so here in many subjects it happens that you read in such a detailed manner, you don't have to read anything else for GS. You may have to do some answer writing practice. थोड़ा सा answer writing practice शायद करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so जो भी common subjects हैं, humanity related subject है, वहाँ पर आएगा. If at all you had a genuine interest in science related subjects, है ना? So कॉलेज में तो बहुत बढ़िया मैथ्स किया है. I guess you had done really well and you had a very good support. Let's say you had done from a very good reputed institute, जहाँ पर आपको अच्छे से so पढ़ाई भी हो गया था, you have a good material support also, वो वहाँ पर ही choose हो गया. You don't have to think उसमें contribution है या नहीं है. समझ आ रहे हैं? लोग इसको भी पहले फैक्टर में कंसिडर करते हैं. Please don't do that mistake. This is always a third factor. Third factor in the sense when you have chosen already 2-3 optionals, then you try to think how much of contribution will be there. Don't think इसमें GS का contribution ज़्यादा है, इसको बैठ के पढ़ाई करूंगा. You don't have an interest only. कितना पढ़ाई करोगे आप? GS के लिए तो compulsion है, आपको करना ही है. Optional तो choice है ना आपके पास, है ना? And if you are scoring average over there, आपका तो वो कट ऑफ से मतलब वो जो रेस से ही बाहर हो जाओगे. You may score in GS. GS तो +2 लेवल ही है ना? So GS में तो पार कर लेंगे. ऑप्शनल में उतना ईजी नहीं है. Even if it doesn't have a contribution in GS, you have a very good interest in a subject and you have some background support, please go with that. Don't go with the herd mentality. है ना? तो ये सब्जेक्ट ज़्यादा बहुत GS में contribution है, तो इंटरेस्ट तो ठीक ठाक है, चलो कर ही लेते, पढ़ते पढ़ते आ जाएगा. Only when you have the common options, you have 2-3 choices, then you consider that. And the last is scoring. स्कोरिंग को क्यों एंड में डाल दिया? स्कोरिंग नहीं करना है क्या? ऑब्वियसली तो स्कोरिंग तो करना ही है. बट द स्कोर ऑफ प्रीवियस कैंडिडेट्स, how many candidates have scored how much of marks in each optional is not a parameter for you to decide, because each individual is different, each aspirant is different, each person has their own strengths and weakness. Okay, so we just have our last year result, है ना? So 2025 का result आ गया. So if there are around 900 candidates, 950 candidates are selected, you listen to them, you will find 900 different strategies. There is no single strategy. Each of them would have had their own strength, their own weakness. They played on that, they worked on that, they improvised, and then they got into the list. You cannot just think, okay, he is able to do, I will be able to do. So therefore, this will not become a parameter. How much, who had scored how much will not be a parameter. And if at all you had no interest at all, यहाँ पर कुछ भी interest नहीं है आपका, ज़्यादा कुछ support material भी नहीं है आपके पास. Okay, so in that case, what will you do just by thinking, okay, so this many people had scored well. समझ आ रहे हैं? And if at all you had a genuine interest and you had worked really well, you can score in any optional. आप यूपीएससी लिस्ट निकाल के देखो, सारे ऑप्शनल के बच्चे हैं. सम ऑफ द ऑप्शनल मे बी देयर इन गुड नंबर्स. कुछ ऑप्शनल का ज्यादा हो सकता है. ओके, सो ज्यादा है क्योंकि ज्यादा लोग उसको चूज किया है. ऐसा नहीं कि ईच ऑप्शनल वाज टेकन बाय द सेम नंबर एंड इन फ्यू ऑप्शनल दे आर क्लियरिंग मोर. ऐसा तो नहीं है. यूजुअली everyone, if you take the proportion of people appearing in that particular optional and the proportion of people who have cleared, it's almost same. ठीक है, so don't go with this mentality, ये बगल वाले ये ले रहे, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग ये ऑप्शनल ले रहे, तो इसी की वजह से हमें चूज करना है. प्लीज डोंट गो विद दैट. The first thing you should always consider whether you have a genuine interest in the subject or not. If you're able to connect naturally, if you're able to think naturally. Okay, so without studying too much, if you are able to, if something, if at all, let's say I'm from geography background, so I can give an example of geography. Let's say मैं बात कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा mountain के related बात कर रहा हूँ. Without any background, if you are able to connect over there, you have a natural interest over there. Or let's say so sociology. Okay, so sociology, society related issues का बात कर रहा हूँ. Somebody is talking about this. Without any too much of background knowledge, if you are able to listen to that and connect well, that means you have a natural interest over there. Interest, then support, then contribution in GS, and the last one is scoring. Scoring, obviously it will become higher if you are able to do well.